Hi, it's Esther here. So this is my first tip on how to make your LinkedIn profile really fab. So I'm just going to share my screen with you. We'll go into LinkedIn, and this is what you see when you go to your feed on LinkedIn. And you can either go to your little photo on the top bar, and you can go to view profile. Or you can click your profile, which is on the left-hand side here, which is hopefully your happy smiling face and your banner. So let's click there. And then under here, you have a button that says edit public profile and URL. And then you've got a button that says edit your custom URL. So you can see that mine says www.linkedin.com/in/Esther Partridge. What you don't want in there are random letters and numbers. So it just makes your profile look much more professional and makes it much easier to share your LinkedIn profile once you have customized that. If you have a name which is already taken, then you may need to update. So you could be Esther Partridge Worcestershire or Esther Partridge Business Coach or something similar. So have a play with that. And once you've changed it, you press save, and then your URL will be whatever you've set that to be. So I hope that's been helpful. I'll come back tomorrow for my next top tip. See you then.